In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the iOS 18 beta or any iOS beta software update on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to back up our iPhone to iCloud, just in case anything goes wrong, we have a restore point. To do this, you want to go into the settings application, and then you want to click on your name at the very top. From here, you want to find where it says iCloud, and you want to click into that. And then you want to find where it says iCloud Backup, and click into that. You then want to click on the Backup Now button, and this is going to back up your entire iPhone to the cloud. So again, if something does go wrong, you've got a mirror backup of your iPhone in its current state. The second thing we need to do is to make sure we have enough storage on our iPhone for the updated version of iOS. To do this, you want to go back to the settings application, then you want to scroll down and you want to click into General. From here, you want to find where it says iPhone storage and you want to click into that. After a few seconds, this is going to calculate the storage on your iPhone, and this may keep changing. However, you want to make sure you've got at least 10 GB of storage on your iPhone that is free for the new iOS update. In this case, we have 82 GB of free storage. If you are struggling with storage on your iPhone, you can follow the recommended steps on this page. Now we've done this, we need to go ahead and sign up for the iOS beta program on our iPhone. To do this, you want to go to your web browser, and then you want to go to beta.apple.com, and I will leave a link in the description below. It will take you to a web page that looks like this, and it will tell you more about the beta program. From here, you just want to scroll down, and you want to click on the blue sign up button. This will prompt you to sign into your Apple ID, so you want to click on continue and sign in. And from here, you just want to go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. We have now successfully signed up for the iOS beta program underneath our Apple ID. So now we've signed up, we just need to go ahead and update our device. To do this, you want to go back to the settings application, then you want to scroll down and find General and click into that, and then you want to go to software update and click into that. On the software update page, you notice this new box called beta updates. If you go ahead and click into this, you get a few options. So as of recording this video, we still have the iOS 17 public betas. In this case, we are going to select the iOS public beta. And if we go back, you now notice the new update page for the iOS 18 beta. All you need to do is click on the blue Update Now button, and this will go ahead and download the update to your phone, and then it will prompt you to install the update, which requires restarting your iPhone. Once your iPhone is restarted, you will then be using the new iOS 18 public beta updates. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.